Want Gmail with your Wix domain? Quick guide in 1 minute. First, confirm you own the domain in your Wix account. Open the Wix dashboard and select Domains from the left menu. Choose your domain, then click Manage DNS or Advanced Settings. If you haven't bought Google Workspace, add it through Wix now. Click Get Gmail or Set Up Email and follow the simple prompts. After purchase, Wix prompts to connect Google Workspace to your domain. Wix will often add the required MX records automatically for Gmail. If manual setup is needed, copy the MX records and add them. Verify ownership using the TXT or name record Wix provides. Enable SPF and DKIM in Wix DNS to improve delivery and security. You are done. Sign into Gmail with your new address and test sending.